Bruising Gym's Sanjay Williams was voted MVP of this year's Jamaica Boxing Board of Control National Championships after he gained a sweet revenge over Marvin Shea of the JDF to win the featherweight title over the weekend. This at the Stanley Couch Gym.
Marvin Shea in the red outfit had a 3-2 record against his arch-rival Sanjay Williams of Bruising Gym coming into Saturday's contest. And from the opening bell, both boxers wasted little time in going at each other as they traded punch for punch. Williams' punches appear to have been creating more effect as Shea resorted to clinching in order to avoid being sent to the canvas. With the fight looking to be even Stevens after the first 2 rounds, it meant the third and final round would be very crucial in deciding the outcome, and it was Williams who looked the stronger of the 2 fighters, producing several combinations which hurt Shea. Williams, who was one of 3 boxers to have faced 3 opponents at the championship, won by split decision to dethrone Shea and also taking the Outstanding Boxer award.
I hope to be selected for the Olympics. I've been training hard for it.
Canada-based Trevor Thompson had created the biggest upset of the championship after a semi-final win over the most experienced boxer, Shiloh De Freitas, who had 78 wins from 88 bouts coming into the championship. Thompson continued his journey to the lightweight title with a unanimous decision win over Damian Williams of the JDF. The local boxer was no match for the skillful Thompson, whose body shots and straight right punches were the killer against Williams, who lost all 3 rounds. Thompson's record now stands at 36-6.
We both know each other, so we fought. This is our 3rd match. I beat him in February. He beat me in July. Honestly, it was a controversial decision, but whatever. It was 1-1, and where it matters most, I got the victory, so I'm really happy tonight.
3-time British Open amateur champion Damian O'Neill continued the dominance by fighters out of the blue corner when he scored a 2-1 split decision victory to dethrone Jonathan Hansen of the national middleweight title.